Hi guys, this is Bao Bike Wale and winter is coming and right now it is fall here in Korea. Some places look absolutely stunning in this season and one of those places is Nami Island. That island is here in Gapyeong County. As you can see, we are in Gapyeong. So Nami Island and Gapyeong in general are very touristy places known for their hills and their lakes and the rivers. So I expect a lot of crowd to be there, but let's hope it's worth it. In this video, I'm gonna go to Nami Island first, which is very close to Gapyeong station where I am right now. And from there, we'll go to a city called Chuncheon, which is about 32 kilometers away from there, I think. And we'll get those bike certification stamps on the way. That's good. So let's start our day. Let's go to Nami. I hope the island doesn't have green leaves right now. I came here on October 9th last year and all the leaves were green. Man, I didn't come all the way here just to see those green leaves, which I could have seen anywhere, because green leaves are, in the words of Eleanor Shellstrop, yup, basic. So I want those red fancy leaves and those yellow leaves. So let's hope the foliage is really at its peak in the island. I'm on the ground. I have to get there on that island. And what is the best way to get there? Taking a ferry? That's for losers. I'm gonna fucking fly to the island. The zip line was such a cool experience, man. Oh my god, that was epic. It dropped me off to another island and now I'm taking a boat, a speedboat from that smaller island to our actual Nami Island. There's our island. I do see yellow and red leaves. Woo! I'm excited. Here we are, the very popular Nami Island. Second time's the charm. Look, yellow leaves and red leaves. The fancy ones, I love it. As I said, crowded AF. Straight from the grounds of IIT Kanpur. So many cafes and restaurants. So many of them. But not one thing of them would be vegetarian. And besides, look at all these people lining up just for food. I knew this was gonna happen, so I came prepared. Bought myself some homemade sandwiches. Replica of India Gate, huh? Sure. My name is Brad Pitt then. There was an attempt. Losers.
The hardest choices require the strongest wills.
I'm back from Nami, back on the mainland, and man, I can just say it was a breathtaking experience. The foliage was yellow and red, just like I wanted it to be. I'm really satisfied with my trip, but the day isn't over. We still need to go to Chuncheon to get those bike stamps. Alright, let's do it!
Embrace your destiny, slay your enemy, raise a legacy. No more apologies, trust your abilities, gather the energies. Pull yourself back together and staying off track forever. Child of the nation, will seek redemption, time for salvation. Today is meant to be day of victory, time for history. Rebirth's a tendency, fight the entropy, channel your rivalry. You're praying for fortune to come, you're hearing the sound of the drums. It's too late to backtrack, go pack your bag now, keep your feet on the ground and stand up. You've got what it takes to fight back. Don't stop until you black out, out, out. Stand up, up, you've got what it takes to fight back, back. Don't stop until you back out, out. Give what you got, show them how to make a miracle. Stand up, up, you've got what it takes to fight back, back. Don't stop until you back out, out. Give what you got, show them how to make a miracle. Go save your team.
Alright. The north end of the Hangang bicycle path in Korea. Oh my god, I can't even see this. I'll try to make it visible. Yeah, there it is. Shinmei Daegyo Injen Sento. So, today was a long day. You know this place where I am right now, Chuncheon. This is about 100 kilometers away from my place in Gangnam. But the sweet part is, I can literally take only 2 subway lines and still get to my place. It's crazy how well developed and far reaching the subway system of Seoul is. Anyway, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll catch you in the next one. People actually rent bikes here. Look at these bikes. I guess not everyone can be Baba bike wale.